I drink this for fast weight loss. Cucumber, apple, lime juice. I'll be using apple. I'll start by cutting out my apples. I'm gonna put the cut apple into a bowl, then I'm going to step it aside. I'll be using lime and lemon, so I'll start by peeling my lemon. I'm going to cut my lemon. I'm going to step this aside. Also, I'll be using cucumbers. I'll be using fresh cucumber. Then I'll start cutting my cucumbers, so I'll have a smaller pieces. I'm going to add my cut cucumbers into a bowl, then I'm going to step everything outside. I'll be using fresh lime as well. I'm going to start by you're going to need to peel your lime as well. I'm going to cut my peeled lime. I'm going to add my cut lime into a bowl, then I'm going to step this aside. These are all the ingredients we are going to be needing. You can as well do this simple home exercise to fasten your drink. There I will start by adding my cucumber. My cut apple, my chopped apple, I'll add it. I'll add my lemon, then I'll add my lemon as well. I'm going to add some water. All these ingredients will be in the description below. Blend until it's smooth. Now at this point, I'm going to save my juice or my drink to get that perfect weight loss drink. Take a glass early in the morning before breakfast, and you can keep the rest in the refrigerator for 2 days. Please remember to like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching this cucumber apple lime drink for weight loss. Feel free to share. Hope to see you next time.